Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of fennel. We're taking you on a tour of both the kitchen and the garden, discovering how this little herb can do wonders for your well-being. Beyond its fantastic flavor, fennel packs a punch of health-boosting benefits you won't believe. From perking up your digestion to giving your immune system an extra boost, fennel's got your back. Join us as we whip up some fun, sprinkle in a bit of nutrition, and uncover how fennel can add a dash of magic to your health journey. So grab a seat, and let's embark on this flavorful adventure together. First and foremost, fennel is renowned for its digestive benefits, which can be attributed to several of its natural properties. Anethol, it's a compound found in fennel that gives it its distinctive licorice-like flavor and aroma. Anethol has been shown to relax the digestive tract, which can help reduce symptoms of digestive discomfort like bloating, gas, and cramps. Fennel contains compounds that act as natural antispasmodics. This means they can help relax the muscles in the digestive tract, potentially providing relief from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and other gastrointestinal disorders. Some studies suggest that fennel may help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. The soothing properties of fennel can help calm the lining of the stomach and esophagus. Fennel has been associated with an increase in digestive enzyme production, which helps break down food more efficiently, aiding in nutrient absorption. It can act as a mild diuretic, promoting the removal of excess water and toxins from the body. This can help reduce bloating and fluid retention. Fennel is sometimes used as a natural remedy for infant colic. The calming effect it has on the digestive system may help soothe a colicky baby. Compounds in fennel have been studied for their potential to support liver function, which plays a crucial role in digestion and overall metabolic health. Fennel's carminative properties can help reduce the formation of excessive gas in the digestive tract, making it easier to expel and reducing discomfort. Did you know? Fennel offers several potential benefits for heart health. Fennel contains compounds like anethol and quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation in the body can benefit heart health by lowering the risk of chronic diseases. The fiber content in fennel can contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. Some studies suggest that fennel may help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are important for preventing conditions like diabetes, which can have detrimental effects on the heart. It also contains nutrients like iron, which is essential for the production of hemoglobin, a protein that transports oxygen in the blood. Adequate oxygen supply is crucial for a healthy heart. Fennel acts as a mild diuretic, promoting the elimination of excess fluids from the body. This can be beneficial for individuals prone to edema or fluid retention, which can strain the heart. What's more, fennel contains compounds that act as expectorants, helping to clear mucus and congestion from the respiratory system. This can provide relief from conditions like bronchitis and respiratory infections. Some studies suggest that fennel may have bronchodilator effects, which can help open up airways and improve breathing in individuals with asthma. Fennel's natural properties may help soothe coughs and reduce irritation in the throat and chest. Fennel also contains certain compounds with antimicrobial properties, which may help combat respiratory infections caused by bacteria or viruses. Its relaxing properties extend to the respiratory system, potentially helping to calm spasms in the bronchial passages. Inhaling the aroma of fennel can have a soothing effect on the respiratory system, providing a sense of relaxation. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Fennel is a good source of potassium, a mineral known for its role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Fennel acts as a mild diuretic, promoting the removal of excess sodium and water from the body. This can help reduce the volume of blood flowing through the arteries, which in turn can lower blood pressure. Fennel's aroma and certain compounds have been associated with calming effects. This can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can have a positive impact on blood pressure. But wait, there is more. Fennel is a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient known for its role in supporting the immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. It contains certain compounds with antimicrobial properties, which may help defend against harmful microorganisms and pathogens. Fennel's natural diuretic properties can help the body eliminate toxins and waste products. This can indirectly support immune function by reducing the burden on the body's detoxification pathways. Lastly, fennel may offer relief from menstrual symptoms for some individuals due to its natural properties. It contains compounds that act as natural antispasmodics. This means they can help relax the muscles in the uterus, potentially reducing cramps and discomfort. The anti-inflammatory properties of fennel may help alleviate inflammation in the pelvic area, which can contribute to reducing menstrual pain. Some studies suggest that fennel may have hormonal regulating effects. This can help balance hormone levels, potentially leading to a reduction in symptoms like mood swings and bloating. Fennel can act as a mild diuretic, which can help reduce water retention and bloating commonly associated with menstruation. While not as potent as traditional pain relievers, fennel's natural compounds may have mild analgesic, pain-relieving effects, providing some relief from menstrual cramps. And there you have it, folks, the incredible world of fennel and its boundless health benefits. So whether it's a crisp salad, a hearty stew, or a soothing tea, consider adding fennel to your culinary repertoire. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.